A lot of students think that side hustles are only about making money, but honestly, the best side hustles do something even more valuable. They make the extra cash and they teach real world skills. Let's start with one of the most practical side hustles students can try right now. Number one, video editing. Video editing is one of the best modern side hustle students can learn because video content is everywhere now. Seriously, think about it. Businesses need videos, creators need videos, podcasters need clips, sports teams need highlights, even small restaurants now post TikToks. And a lot of people want content but don't want to edit it themselves. That creates opportunity for you. Now, obviously, students do not need Hollywood level editing skills immediately. Even basic editing can be useful. A student could start by editing TikToks, YouTube shorts, gaming clips, school sports highlights, or Instagram reels. And honestly, this side hustle teaches way more than people realize. Students learn about storytelling, attention to detail, creativity, pacing, communication, and technical software skills. Because editing is not just cutting clips together. Good editing changes how people feel while watching the content. Think about how different music, transitions, timing, certain captions, and sound effects can completely change a video's energy. Now, here's why this hustle is especially good for students. You can improve relatively quickly with practice, and let's be serious, a lot of students are familiar with these type of applications. A lot of editors will learn through YouTube tutorials, different experimentation, and simply making projects consistently. And honestly, editing is one of those skills where your portfolio matters more than your resume. If your work looks good, people care. Now, obviously, this hustle also has a downside. Editing can become very time consuming. Clients sometimes request endless revisions, so it's good to have some sort of contract in place. And staring at timelines for hours can become mentally exhausting. But for students interested in a creative space, media, content creation, or digital careers, video editing can become an incredibly valuable skill, even if it never becomes a full-time career. Number two, lawn care or pressure washing. Now, let's talk about one of the simplest but most surprisingly effective and great way to make money, summer side hustles, which is lawn care or pressure washing. And honestly, people underestimate these businesses because they sound too basic. Meanwhile, some students make solid money doing them. Why? Because convenience matters. A lot of homeowners simply don't have time, don't want to do the work, or physically can't do it themselves. Now, obviously, this hustle involves physical work. You are outside, you're sweating, carrying equipment, and dealing with the heat. This is definitely not a passive income, but honestly, that's part of why it teaches useful skills. For example, students will learn work ethic, responsibility, customer service, scheduling, and how to manage clients. Because once someone pays you, expectations become real. Now, here's something interesting. Simple local businesses often teach entrepreneurship better than people realize. For example, a student running a small lawn care business may learn pricing, marketing, profit margins, communication, budgeting, and time management. Those are real-world business skills. And unlike some online side hustles, this type of work is very straightforward. You provide a service and the customer sees results immediately. Now, obviously, there are downsides to this one too. Physical work becomes tiring quickly, weather matters, and some customers will absolutely try negotiating prices aggressively. That happens. But for students wanting real responsibility, local income, and practical business experience, simple service businesses can teach a lot very quickly. Next up, freelance graphic design. Now, this side hustle became much more accessible because businesses constantly need visual content online. Think about how many things require design now. Logos, social media posts, thumbnails, flyers, menus, websites, and advertisements. Even small businesses want professional looking visuals. Now, obviously, students do not need to become expert designers immediately, but learning basic design skills can still become valuable. For example, a student may start helping local businesses, school clubs, sports teams, or creators. Maybe they design Instagram graphics, YouTube thumbnails, posters, or simple branding materials. Even learning new apps and different designs on your phone is a great way to start. Now, here's why this hustle teaches useful skills. Design is really about communication. Good design helps people understand information faster, notice products, and emotionally connect with brands. Students will also learn creativity, branding, visual storytelling, communication, and client management. Now, here's something important about this one. A lot of beginners focus way too much on making things look cool, but professional design is often about solving problems. Here's an example. A restaurant menu should feel easy to read. A YouTube thumbnail should attract attention quickly. A logo should feel recognizable. That mindset matters. Now, obviously, competition exists. and AI design tools are changing the industry rapidly. But strong designers who understand branding, communication, problem solving, and audience psychology still remain valuable, especially because businesses constantly need visual content online. Now, let's talk about one of the most modern student side hustles, social media management. A lot of small businesses know that they should be posting online, but they either don't have time, don't understand the social media algorithms, or don't know what content to create. That creates opportunity for you. For example, a student may help restaurants, gyms, clothing stores, real estate agents, or local businesses. There's so many opportunities out there for different industries. And these students can manage their Instagram, TikTok, Facebooks, or short form content. Now, this is obviously more than just posting random pictures. Good social media management involves content planning, branding, consistency, captions, trends, and audience engagement. Students will also learn valuable skills like communication, marketing, content strategy, analytics, and customer psychology. Because social media is basically modern attention management, now here's something interesting. Many adults running businesses genuinely do not understand internet culture very well. Meanwhile, younger people often understand trends, memes, algorithms a little bit better, and content styles more naturally. That becomes super useful. Now, obviously, this side hustle also has its challenges. Social media changes constantly, as we know, algorithms change constantly, and clients sometimes expect instant growth, and that's not realistic. But students who learn branding, marketing, and audience attention gain skills useful across many industries because modern businesses increasingly depend on online visibility. Okay. Tutoring may sound old school compared to modern online hustles, but honestly, it teaches incredibly valuable skills, and students often underestimate how much they already know and how much it'll pay. For example, a high school student strong in math, science, English, music, or languages may help younger students, middle schoolers, or even classmates. Now, obviously, tutoring is not just about giving people the answers. Good tutoring teaches communication, patience, leadership, and problem solving, because understanding something yourself is different from explaining it clearly to someone else. That skill matters everywhere you go. Now, here's something super interesting about this one. A lot of students become better learners themselves through teaching because tutoring forces people to simplify ideas, organize information better, and think more clearly. And honestly, communication becomes one of the biggest long-term advantages students can develop. People who explain things clearly often stand out professionally later. Now, obviously, tutoring can become frustrating sometimes. Some students don't focus, they don't care, or they become distracted constantly. That patience test is real, but tutoring remains one of the best side hustles for building confidence, leadership, and communication skills. Not to mention, it pays really well, especially for students considering careers involving teaching, business, leadership, healthcare, or management. This side hustle could definitely be for you. Number 6, selling online. Now, let's talk about one of the most entrepreneurial side hustles out there. Selling online. This could include selling clothes, sneakers, collectibles, handmade products, vintage items, or digital products. And honestly, this hustle teaches business fundamentals very quickly because students learn pricing, marketing, customer service, negotiation, and profit margins pretty fast. For example, a student may buy vintage clothes cheaply and resell them online. Another student may create custom stickers, digital art, or handmade products, which can all be sold on Etsy. Now, obviously, online selling is not always easy. Competition exists everywhere, and some students see influencers pretending, "I made millions flipping products overnight." That's unrealistic. But even small online stores teach useful lessons. If you can figure out a problem to solve or something lacking in someone's everyday life, and you can fulfill that with a product, then you can have a really great side hustle. For example, students quickly learn what people actually want, how branding affects sales, and how important presentation is. Even product photos matter. Now, here's something interesting about this side hustle. A lot of successful entrepreneurs started by selling small things online young because business skills often develop through experience, not theory. As an entrepreneur myself, I literally used to go door to door to people. Now it's on an online platform, and it definitely starts young, and it's just something that you can feed into and foster as early as an 8-year-old walking around selling little scrunchies to their neighbors. And learning profit, expenses, putting yourself out there, and customer behavior early can become extremely valuable later. Now, let's talk about the side hustle almost every teenager has thought about at least once: content creation. And yes, social media makes this career look extremely glamorous sometimes. People see influencers, viral creators, sponsorships, and huge audiences. What they don't see is the inconsistent growth, burnout, algorithm stress, and years of work behind successful channels. Now, obviously, not every student should expect to become a famous creator. That's unrealistic. But content creation still teaches valuable skills even without massive fame. For example, students can learn storytelling, editing, branding, communication, marketing, and audience psychology. And honestly, creating content forces students to practice consistency because growth online usually takes time and practice. And here's something important to note about this one. The best creators usually focus on topics that they genuinely enjoy. For example, students may create content around gaming, sports, fitness, books they love, technology, fashion, music, or comedy. Interest matters here because forcing yourself to make content you hate becomes exhausting quickly and it just doesn't look authentic. Now, obviously, online criticism can become a difficult part of this too. Posting publicly means people will judge you, they'll criticize you, or leave negative comments. That's part of the internet, unfortunately. If you can ignore the comments and leave those unread, students who build confidence creating online often improve communication, creativity, and digital skills much faster than they realize. And finally, one of the most practical summer side hustles, pet sitting or babysitting. Now, this one may not sound as flashy as online businesses, but honestly, these jobs teach responsibility extremely quickly because once someone trusts you with their child, their dog, or their home, expectations become serious. Now, obviously, this work does involve patience, a lot of patience. Kids can be unpredictable, pets can be chaotic, schedules change constantly, but students learn valuable real-world skills like reliability, communication, problem-solving, and time management. For example, a babysitter may need to manage routines, handle stressful situations, communicate with parents, and stay organized. Pet sitting teaches responsibility too, especially because animals depend on consistency. Now, here's something underrated. Trust-based side hustles build reputation. If families trust someone reliable, they often recommend them to friends, neighbors, and relatives, and that word-of-mouth experience teaches students how important reputation is professionally, and it'll get you more jobs, hence more money. And honestly, reliability alone already separates people from many others. Showing up on time consistently is a skill. So, what's the biggest takeaway from all of this? The best side hustles are not always the ones making the most money immediately. The best ones teach you communication, responsibility, discipline, creativity, confidence, and real-world problem solving. Because honestly, those skills matter long after high school. Now, obviously, students do not need to become millionaire entrepreneurs, productivity machines, or business experts overnight. Most successful people started small too. The important thing is to simply try things, learning skills, gaining experience, and becoming more confident over time while you're also still making money with your side hustle. Even failed side hustles can teach valuable lessons. They teach you how to pivot and be persistent. And let's be honest, students who experiment early often learn much faster what they enjoy, what they dislike, and what they want to pursue later on. And all of that experience matters. Which side hustle do you think teaches the most useful skills? Let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.